Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Instagram, so tap your profile, then the menu. Once done, open Settings and Privacy to reach account controls. You need to be logged into the same account connected to Threads. Make sure Threads exists on your device or is linked in Account Center so the toggle appears. This step locates the controls you will change next, and it prevents switching accounts mid-process, which can hide the option or save changes to the wrong profile. Now that you're in Account Controls, go to Accounts or Account Center to list connected apps and services. Once you see Threads, tap it to expose permissions and notification toggles. This explains why it still posts or shows activity. If you want it off, use Disconnect or Remove to sever account access. This prevents data sharing and stops the app from appearing in your Instagram flow. Make sure to confirm the prompt so the disconnection fully applies to both apps. Finish by restarting Instagram and verifying Threads is gone from your accounts and menus. This confirms the change propagated. If it still shows, open the Threads app or return to Account Center and revoke permissions a second time, then recheck. As a troubleshooting tip, log out and back in, or reinstall Instagram and clear app cache to force synchronization. This resolves lingering UI states. Make sure to test by attempting to open
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.